Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox Amazon brand hot glue gun whose name is Solimo. Yeah, so today's video target is 250 likes. I hope that we'll achieve this target. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So our hot glue gun comes like this and its packaging is really so nice. So from front it looks something like this and from back it looks something like this. So according to brand its color is red, but I think the color is kind of pinkish and its price is 599 rupees and it is made in Taiwan. So first let's just open it and after that we'll see that what other things we get with this. So the first thing we get with this is this hot glue gun stand. So let's just keep it aside. Now the second thing we get is this hot glue gun, which is the main thing. So the last thing we get with this hot glue gun is this manual, which I don't think so we need. Now let's see how our hot glue gun works. So our hot glue gun looks something like this and I really love the design. And it comes with 2-meter long wire, which is kind of good length. So I just plugged the wire but I didn't on the switch. So the second thing which you have to do, just take your 11mm glue stick and insert it like this. And yeah, our hot glue gun doesn't come with any glue stick, so you have to purchase it. So now just take your stand and insert it like this. So now let me just turn on the switch and after that we'll see how it works. So buddies, in just 1 minute our hot glue gun is ready to use. So I'm going to paste cardboards with this. So now let's see how it works. So buddies, our hot glue gun works so well. I'm really impressed with it. So I just press the trigger a little bit and after that our hot glue starts coming out very smoothly. Now let's see how it works when we paste plastic cups together.
And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do.
Ouch, it is too hot, so just make sure that you wear gloves while doing this. Well, it works well here also. Buddies, I think it has auto lock function also because whenever I insert it in its stand, the hot glue doesn't come out. But whenever I just press the trigger, the hot glue comes out very smoothly. So I don't know because I didn't read the manual, but I think I have to read the manual now. And yeah, one last thing. So when you are done with your work in which you are using your hot glue gun, so just make sure that you clean the tip of your hot glue gun perfectly so that whenever you use it next time, our hot glue gun works perfectly. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy this hot glue gun, then link is in description. You can buy it from there. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video, bye.
And I've got miles. You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left